Good afternoon, everyone. We are here to present our venture, ChargeWay, a venture viability analysis. This project focuses on solving one of the most critical challenges in the electric vehicle ecosystem: reliable and accessible charging infrastructure. Next, about ChargeWay. It is a core ChargeWay is a digital platform designed to help EV users find reliable charging station and book slot in a real time. The goal is simple: to make EV charging more predictable, convenient, and stress free for every user. Next, we are a team of three members from Birla Global University, Bhubaneswar. I am Sabha Jaiswal, Marketing Head, Soumya Das, the HR, Sania Barik in the Marketing Department. Together, we bring perspective from strategy, people management, and market research. Next, now, let us understand the context of the problem. Electric vehicle adoption is growing rapidly. In fact, EV sales have reached around 23% growth. However, the supporting infrastructure are not keeping pace. In India, currently we have only 29,000 charging stations, which means there is roughly one charging availability for every 135 EVs available. This imbalance creates a major issue, knowing an anxiety range, where every users constantly worry about whether they will be able to find a charging station on time or not. Next, the major problem statement. So, what exactly is our problem? There are insufficient and poorly distributed EV charging points, which makes it difficult for the users to rely on electric vehicles for daily and long distance travel. This lead to the severe impacts. EV users face uncertainty and trip distribution. Fleet operators experience downtime and inefficiency. All over and overall, every adoptions slow down due to lack of trust in charging availability. In simple terms, even though EV are growing, the charging experience is still unreliable. Next, the industrial problem. If we look deeper into the industrial problem, EV users, especially in the urban areas and highways, face frequently inconvenience due to limited availability and unreliability access to charging stations. This result in the disruption of travel plans, reducing confidence in EV usage and hesitation among potential buyers. So, the issue is not just infrastructure, it is about the accessibility, reliability, and planning. Next is the problem analysis. Let's break it down further. Who is affected? What are the impact? And what are the root cause are the main question here. Who is affected? The EV users, fleet operators, business relies on EV logistics, even government initiatives promoting sustainability. What is the impact? Users face delays and stress. Companies face higher cost and inefficiencies. Government use means struggles to meet the EV adoption goals. What are the root cause for it? Slow and uneven role of changing infrastructure. Concentration of chargers only in the certain urban areas. Lack of maintenance and coordination is a major issue. Poor and real time information about charging availability. As a team, we personally relate to this issue because we have observed how lack of reliable charging access creates hesitation in adoption the EV despite their major benefits. So, clearly there is a strong need for a solution that makes the EV charging more reliable, accessible and more predictable. Now, I would like to hand over the next speaker, Soumya Das, for explaining the target customer and the solution we propose. Thank you.
Thank you, Sabya. Now that we understand the problem, I will take you through who faces this issue and how our solution addresses it. Target customer segments. Our primary target customer are electric vehicle owners aged 25 to 55, especially those traveling in urban, semi-urban areas and highways. These users rely heavily on public charging infrastructure for both daily commutes and long distance travel. Our secondary customers include EV fleet operators and logistic companies who face even bigger challenges due to frequent charging needs and downtime. Next is customer persona. To better understand our users, we created a persona, Asim Sahu. He is a 30-year-old working professional living in suburban area. He is a tech-savvy, prefers online solution and uses his EV for both work and travel. His main challenge is that he cannot confidently plan trips because charging availability is uncertain. This makes his EV experience stressful and rather convenient. Jobs to be done. If we look at his needs, he wants to find nearby charging station, avoid waiting, plan trips without disruption. Emotional need, he wants peace of mind, confidence while driving, less stress related to charging. His social needs, he wants to be seen as responsible and environmental conscious, someone who can confidently recommend EVs to others. So, overall, the user is not just looking for a charger, they're looking for a reliable and stress free experience. Next is current alternatives and gaps. Currently, users rely on maps and EV apps, home charging, or avoid long trips. However, these solutions have major gaps. Apps often show inaccurate or outdated information. Charging stations may be occupied or non functional. Users end up waiting or changing plans. So, the existing solutions are inconsistent and unreliable, which continues to create frustration. Next is problem validation. To validate this problem, we conducted user interviews. Out of 11 people interviewed, 9 said this problem is important. 8 were dissatisfied with current solution. This clearly confirms that there is a strong and real need of improvement. Our solution to solve this, we propose ChargeWay, a real-time EV charging availability and slot pre-booking platform. This is a mobile and web-based platform that allows user to check real-time charger availability, view waiting times, and pre-book charging slots in advance. Its key features: real-time status update, slot booking, route planning with charger integration, reliability rating, notifications, and digital payments. What makes us unique? Unlike other solutions, we combine real time verified data, booking capability, reliability insights. And importantly, we do this without needing new infrastructure by optimizing existing charging stations. What are some solution benefits? A solution provides multiple benefits. Functional, it saves time, reduces waiting. Emotional, reduces stress and range anxiety. Social, improves confidence in EV usage. Macro, supports sustainability and EV adoption. Who are some of our competitors? In terms of competition, direct competitors are Tata Power, EZ Charge. Next is PlugShare. Our indirect competitors are battery swapping networks. However, these solutions have limitations like real-time accuracy and booking features. Our unique value proposition is we offer real-time verified charging, slot booking, and reliability insights, enable stress-free EV travel. So, with a strong problem solution fit and clear user value, I would now like to hand over to the next speaker.
The market opportunity for this venture is very promising. Globally, the EV charging services market is valued at around $10 billion, with a strong growth rate of nearly 30% CAGR. In India alone, the serviceable market for urban and highway EV users is estimated at around $1.5 billion. Our initial goal is to capture a small, realistic share of this market, targeting around 6 crore revenue within the first 2 years. Next, we have the revenue model. Our business model is designed to be both scalable and feasible. First is primary model, which is freemium. Basic features are free, while premium features like advanced booking and insights are paid. Second, we have secondary model, which is SaaS. We offer subscription-based service to businesses like fleet operators and charging networks. Third, we have pricing. We charge approximately rupees 150 per charging session, which is affordable for the user and sustainable for businesses. Next, we have financial projection. Let's look at the finances. First year revenue is 2 crores. First year profit is 40 lakhs. Revenue growth grows from 4.8 crores by third year. Most importantly, we expect to reach break even within 8 months, which indicates strong financial viability. These projections are based on increasing user adoption and steady growth for EV users. Next, we have prototype and validation. We have developed a prototype for our application that includes user login, charge search, real time availability, slot booking, user feedback, which includes user like simple interface and ease of booking. They appreciated reduce uncertainty. The areas that are need to be improved, that is need for better design, payment integration, advanced route optimization. This feedbacks help us refine the product further before launch. Now, next we have go to market strategy. Our go-to market strategy includes both digital and physical channel. Digital as Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Google Ads, SGOs, email marketing. And physicals are like EV dealership like Tata Motors, Mahindra Electrics, highway billboards, EV expos and residential societies. This multi-channel approach helps us reach both individual users and business clients effectively. Next, we have key merits. To measure success, we track app downloads, active users, number of booking, mm, customer satisfaction, and retention. These metrics help us continuously improve scale. Next, we have the roadmap or the next step. That is, our execution plan is divided into phases. First month to third month, research and prototype design. Fourth month to sixth month, we have build and test the prototype. Then 7 month to 8 month, we have pilot testing. And 10th to 12th month, full launch and marketing. We also plan to build strong partnership and expand gradually. Next, we have venture viability. Our venture has achieved a viability score of 84.44%, which reflects strong problem solving fit, solution market demand, clear revenue model. However, we will further improve through deeper research and partnership. Now, finally coming to the closing, to conclude, the ChargeWay aims to make EV travel reliable, convenient, and stress free by solving the critical issues of charging uncertainty. By improving access to charging infrastructure, we not only enhance user experience but also contribute to the sustainable and eco friendly mobility. We believe this solution has potential to access EV adaptation and create real impact. With this, I and my team thanking you. Thank you.